टू बी व्हेरी ऑनेस्ट म्हाका एक्चुअली खबरूच नाशिल्लें म्हणजे आमकां इनिशियली आदी कितें सांगूंक बीन ना की अशे अवॉर्ड्स आसतले ऑर कितें वी जस्ट गॉट अ कॉल एंड I'll be very frank, I thought it was a scam call because from a random number they called and they said, ma'am, your profile is shortlisted to attend the event. And they started asking for Aadhaar card. So Aadhaar card म्हळ्यार मातसो भंय दिसलो की how and what. But then I searched and there was something that happening. But when you've been कांयच दिवं नाशिल्लो. So initially I definitely thought it was a scam. But I had to do my bit of research. मागीर कळ्ळें की ना खरेंच म्हणून. म्हजी पेज आसा ती mostly it is like a food critic. So restaurant reviews and that happens. And but आमी when we went there फ्रॉम डिफरंट फिल्डाच्यान लोक आशिल्ले, खूब लोक आशिल्ले आनी सगळ्यांचो एकदम डिफरंटूच कॉन्टेंट आशिल्लो. सो खूब आयडियाज डेफिनेटली एक्सचेंज जाली. इट वॉजंट लायक द प्रायम मिनिस्टर इज स्पीकिंग म्हणजे विदाउट हेजिटेशन तो उलयलो. लायक इवन एवरी जेन्ना तो जिंकलो न्ही ताच्या बरोबर तो इतलो पर्सनली उलयतालो. इट वॉज व्हेरी गुड, व्हेरी नायस. अँड ही सेड अ व्हेरी नायस थिंग दॅट इज स्टील विथ मी, दॅट you are making your own thing. You are only the cameraman, you are only scripting it, you are only making it. So तो आमच्या फिल्डाक तो इतलो रेकग्निशन दिता, that is a big thing. And इतलो तो डिटेलान जाणा.